In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite split screen on the Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play Fortnite split screen on Xbox, regardless of which console you have, as long as you have a secondary controller. In order to play Fortnite split screen on your Xbox, first, when you are in the lobby and you are getting ready to play, use the second controller. So turn the second controller on and make sure that it is connected to your Xbox. You can use it cable, you can connect it wirelessly. It doesn't matter as long as the controller gets detected. It will give you the option to link a user to the specific controller, and you can either attach a user that you've created or just use the controller as a guest. The important thing is that the controller must be picked up and detected while you are in the lobby. If that happens, if you look at the bottom right corner of the lobby, you should see the option for the secondary player to hold a button and log in to play split screen. So as you can see in this picture, you have to hold the A button to log in. If it is not the A button on your controller or specific console, just look for the respective button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as long as you press its specific button, the secondary player will appear in the lobby and both of you will be ready to play split screen on Xbox. So once both of you are in the lobby, if the controller was picked up correctly and the second player was able to join your lobby with the secondary controller, just go ahead and start. You can look for duels, and once you get matched up, you will be split screen as I'm showing you on screen. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, double check to see if the person actually got in the lobby. Make sure that the controller is being detected. Try a wireless connection, and if it doesn't work, use a cable. But as long as both of you are able to be in the same lobby when you match up, split screen will be automatically set up and enabled. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite split screen on the Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.